Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect sauce for soufflé pancakes. We'll focus on a classic vanilla custard sauce, which offers a delightful balance of sweetness and richness. This sauce is incredibly versatile and elevates the light, airy texture of your pancakes. Get ready to transform your breakfast or dessert into an extraordinary culinary experience with this simple yet elegant recipe. It's truly the only way to go. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients for this luscious sauce. You'll need 2 large egg yolks, which provide the foundational richness and color. For the liquid base, have 1/2 cup of whole milk and 1/4 cup of heavy cream ready. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar for sweetness and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to infuse that wonderful aroma. These simple components combine to create something truly magical. Now let's craft the custard base. Whisk 2 egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of sugar until light and creamy. In a small saucepan, gently heat 1/2 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of cream until just simmering. Slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot liquid into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Return everything to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring continuously until it thickens to coat a spoon. Once your sauce has thickened, remove it from the heat immediately. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that signature flavor. For a smooth, silky texture, strain the warm sauce through a fine mesh sieve. This removes any small cooked egg bits. Allow the sauce to cool completely, then chill it for at least 30 minutes. Serve this delightful, cool sauce generously over your warm, fluffy soufflé pancakes for an unforgettable treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.